Today I am going to make a review session for the semester 1 exam for grade 1. In this slide, you will find the topics covered in the exam. In this slide, you have to circle the greater number. For the first example, we have 7 and 8. Which is the greater number?
8.
So we have to circle number
8.
Good. For the second example,
5.
we have 3 and 5.
5.
Good job. In this slide, we have to order the following numbers from the least to the greatest. What do we mean from the least to the greatest?
From the smallest to the biggest.
From the smallest
8.
to the biggest. Good.
8.
What is the smallest number?
8.
What is the smallest number?
2.
2. Then, after 3. Good. In this slide, we have to complete. For the first picture, how many bags do we have? 2. And
2. 4.
2 and 2.
4.
Type. Add is what? What do we mean by add? And
Plus.
is plus. So 2 plus 2,
4.
4. For the second one,
1.
1 plus 3. 1 and 3.
4.
4. 1 and. What do we mean by and?
Plus.
So 1 plus 3 equal to what?
4.
For the second picture, we have 1 girl and 1 girl. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Good. In this slide, we have to complete the additive writing. 2 plus 1, we have 2 birds in the first group and 1 bird in the second group. 2 plus 1 is equal to what? In the second picture, we have, how many clones do we have? 2 clones and 3. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. In this slide, we have to count, then write the appropriate numbers. Let's count, yalla. How many umbrellas do we have? 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
so we have to write number. How many keys do we have in the second picture? Let's count. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5.
so we have to write.
5.
For the hats, how many hats do we have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So we have to write
6.
6. Okay. In this slide, we have to fill in the missing letter to spell the number shown. All of you, please look at the picture. What is the first picture? What's the number?
1.
So what is the missing letter?
O.
O. For this picture, what is the missing letter?
O.
For this picture, what is it?
3.
What is the It is what? What is the number? What is the number?
4.
What is the number is?
3.
So what is the missing letter?
3.
For this picture is what?
8.
What is this number?
6.
What is this number? So what is the missing letter? U. For this number is what? What is the missing letter?
E.
For this number is what?
6.
So what is the? Okay. This number is what?
7.
What is the missing? This one? 8. What is the missing number? For this one is what? What is the missing letter?
E.
For the last one is what?
10.
10. So what is the missing letter? Good. In this slide, we have to count and match. For the first one, let's count. How many dots do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have to match it to the number 7. For the second one, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we have to match it to number?
8.
Let's match it to number 8. The third one, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to match it to number?
4.
For the fourth picture, we have, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have to match it to number? 9. The fifth one is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to match it to number?
5.
The last one.
3.
So we have to match it to number 3. Here we have to count and circle the appropriate number. In the first picture, let's count the lions, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So we have to circle number
10.
For the second picture. Let's count the dogs. 1,
6, 7, 8.
so we have to circle number.
8.
Good. In this slide, we have to continue the sequence. As we can see, we have 3 numbers and we have to know the other 2. The first 2 numbers are 9 and 7. So we have to know the difference between 9 and 7. 9 and 7. What is the missing number?
8.
So let's write 8. Okay. You don't have to write 8. It's now I'm explaining 8 for you. Okay. Between 7 and 5, what's the missing number? 6. So between 5 and the other number, what will be the missing number? 4. So what do we have to write here?
3.
3. So this is the first number. After 3,
1.
we have 1. But before knowing the number 1, what is the missing number? 2. So we have to write number.
1.
All of you understand this?
Yes.